Fire and gas, two elements that are crucial to Oman's industrial landscape, particularly in the oil and gas and petrochemical industries. Now, look no further for unparalleled expertise in fire and gas systems and equipment within the Sultanate of Oman. Welcome to Oman's leading fire and gas training center at TECS, where your safety and skill are our top priorities. Here, we equip you with both the comprehensive knowledge and practical hands-on experience needed to confidently handle any situation. Our courses are developed in collaboration with industry leaders.
In today's high-risk industries, knowing how to handle a fire and gas device is not just a skill, it is a necessity. Here at TECS, we equip you with both the knowledge and the hands-on experience to handle those site activities more confidently.
With our advanced simulation technology, you'll face realistic scenarios in a controlled, safe environment, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. As a service center, we are dedicated to ensuring your equipment is maintained with the highest efficiency by our expertly trained engineers.
في مركز خدمة الحريق والغاز الأفضل في سلطنة عمان، كن مطمئناً معداتك تخضع لفحص دقيق.
Join us and be part of a community committed to safety and excellence. TECS Fire and Gas Training Center. Empower yourself, protect others, secure your facility,